Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another Stitch Fix haul. So today's video is different than my normal Stitch Fix hauls, and that's because I decided that I just kind of wanted to do this just to see what happened. So I get Stitch Fix, I've gotten like 10 or 11 boxes on my own, and I found a stylist that works for me. I know what I like, I request things every single box. So this time I thought, especially for those of you who are new and don't actually do Stitch Fix yet, that I would log into my old email and sign up for Stitch Fix and just do a style quiz like a new person and get a box. So this will give you more of an idea of what to expect on your first actual Stitch Fix, because a lot of videos we see now are people who have their stylist, know what they like. So I wanted to give more of like an idea of like a real first impressions like type box, because once you do Stitch Fix for a while, you find that stylist that works for you and you find the things that you want and you start requesting things and they know your style. So this poor stylist had nothing to go off of. She has no history to look at, and I just thought it would be a good video for those of you who actually are interested in trying it, who have not yet and want the perspective of someone who has not done it yet. So this is my first box with whomever is styling me, and I am going to open it right now and see. I did fill out the style quiz and I was honest on my style quiz. So the only thing that she has to go off of is the style quiz. I did not leave a comment in the box. Obviously there's no past orders. So let's see how this goes as kind of like a new Stitch Fix person. Return envelope, note from the stylist, and style cards. And then just letting you know that you can do gift cards for Stitch Fix. I think gift cards are awesome if you have a friend that does Stitch Fix. And yeah, so let's go ahead and look at the sneak peek. So this might be a little better side. I do see like some gingham plaid, which is kind of exciting. I see stripes, I see some maybe plain colors, and I also see denim. I think it's denim shorts. So I'm excited. I'm excited to see like how this goes as like her first time styling a newbie. Okay, so yes, I really like this print up top. So let's see, hopefully it's a tank top. Okay, so here is the first top. It is a tank top, and I actually really like this feminine ruffle top. As you can see, it's black and white plaid, and then on the back here it has a button detail. This top is definitely my style. So I'm actually really impressed with this. This is kind of one of my favorite tops I've ever gotten. Like even all the Stitch Fix boxes that I've gotten like over the past year, might be one of my like top 5 favorite tops that I've ever received. So hopefully this looks as good on me as it does off of me or in my hands. Sorry, that was just like, yeah, you know what I mean. This is the Heartloom brand, and it's the Mona Ruffle Trim Cotton Top. Super cute. And the next top is a black and white stripe. Let me see. Okay, it's an off-the-shoulder stripe top, tank top at least. So here we go. The print's okay. You know, I do like, I think I said before, you're either a polka dots or a stripe type of girl, and I'm more of a polka dot type of girl. As you can see on my shoes, I'm definitely polka dot striped. These also came in a Stitch Fix of mine previously that I actually requested. But this is actually pretty cute. I really like the off the shoulder. It's definitely light and airy for summer. And this is the Lush brand Marky Cold Shoulder Blouse. This next top is a navy blue. I can already tell that this would actually be really cute for work. So there on the front, you can see it has a zipper detail. It has some more, it's a gold detail. And there's some little studs by the pockets, and it's actually a very soft print. It feels like cotton, but not like a hot cotton, I think maybe a thinner cotton, if that's like a thing. This is the Fortune Plus Ivy brand. It is the Light and Zip Detail Mixed Material Blouse. So this is actually pretty cute. I think this would be really cute with a cardigan for work, or even just by itself with like a pair of capris. So far this stylist actually is doing pretty good. Like I'm honestly surprised. I figured that like it'd be just a random like mix of things, but this stylist is like, watch what'll happen. I will open the style card and it'll actually be the stylist that I used for my other box. Like, what are the chances of that happening? We'll see. This next one is okay, I spoke too soon. It is kind of all over the place. This is what do you call those? Like graphic tees. It's just a white t-shirt. I don't know why I'm laughing, guys. It's not ugly. It's just not my style. But it's like almost like a rip tee. It's a cold shoulder tee and a tie front top. This would be cute as like a swim cover up, but it's definitely not my style. But the first 3 items I loved. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's not bad. I'm just surprised that she would put in this type of top with like a more feminine, like girly few tops. So that's probably why I'm laughing. I'm not meaning to be rude, but I just thought it was kind of interesting. But yeah, this would be cute for those of you who want like a swim cover up, or this is more of like your style, like you like more of like a laid back slouchy type style. This would be cute for you. And then the last pair, okay, they are a pair of shorts. These are the Lila Ryan. Oh, if you want to know, if you are interested in this shirt, it is the IOC by Icons. It's the Zayla Cold Shoulder Cotton Graphic Tee. And then these shorts here, there's distressed bottoms on them, as you can see, but nothing too crazy, just enough to like give it a little bit of extra and make it cute. And the back just looks just like your average pair of shorts. And let's see here. These are the Lila Ryan, and it's the Travis Distressed Free Hem Short. So definitely a 4 out of 5 as far as looking at them. Let's go ahead and try them on and we'll see what we think. Okay, here is the first top, and I will be keeping this 100%. This is definitely my style. It's so cute, even for like the spring and the summer. I love the way that the arms fit. It's not too tight, not like hanging down. The top, it does go a little bit lower, so definitely a tank top underneath. But I love the way that this looks, honestly. This definitely is me. It's even cute with like these pink pants that I have on for work today. And yes, very forgiving if you have like a little mom tummy or you don't want to deal with like tightness. This will even be cute with like a pair of white distressed shorts or skinny jeans. Here is the next top, the navy blue top with the gold zipper detail. I wonder if this actually works. Oh, okay, it does work. So if you want like a more of a sexier look, you could obviously undo it as far as you wanted to. I am not more of like the showy type person, but you can do that. And let's see if it will unzip all the way down. It will. It will unzip all the way down. So that's actually a really nice option for those of you who do like day to night type thing, like work to going out to dinner with friends. The arms are absolutely great. Here is the back. This fits really well, and I love the fabric. The back is what is like the more cottony material, and the front is just kind of that, I don't know what you call it, but it's like a light airy material. So I definitely will be keeping this shirt as well. Here is the next top, the black and white striped off the shoulder top. This is actually cute. It's just not really my style. I really like the way that it fits for those who like this style. The straps kind of, they feel like nice in place, but not like they're hurting me. The shoulder arms, like they actually feel pretty good and more of like a tight fit around the arms, and there's not too much cleavage showing. However, I just don't think that I actually would wear this typically. It's just not the kind of style that I normally would wear. I really like cold shoulder, but for some reason this style just isn't doing it for me. But the fit is amazing, and I feel like a lot of you will actually like this top and it will be your style. And here are the last 2 items. I put on the Island Vibes shirts with the shorts. Excuse my white fluorescent legs. So again, the top, not my style at all. It would be super cute over like a bathing suit and just walking around with your bottoms on. If you're into that sort of thing, it's fine. I don't like the sleeves, they're too big. I feel like this is a shirt that I could have bought and kind of made myself by tying up and cutting it. I'm interested to see how much this shirt actually costs, because to me it just seems like a regular t-shirt. But the shorts actually are pretty good. They actually fit really well. They're not super baggy, and I feel like I could probably bend over and not show the world all my goodies. But yeah, I don't know if I will be keeping these or not, because I just kept a pair of shorts from my last Stitch Fix that are pretty similar to this. And again, she had no way of knowing that I had those. But overall, I think she did a pretty good job. Okay, I have all the items behind me, and let's go ahead and look at the prices of them. overall, she did a really good job. Like, I'm a little bit surprised, I'll be honest. Because when I first got my Stitch Fix a while back, but I think before I even was filming Stitch Fix, I wasn't impressed with my first few boxes because it took me time to find a stylus that worked for me. And now that I have one that works for me, it's amazing. But this girl, I'm interested to see who it is because she did absolutely amazing. And her name is Cara, C-A-R-A. And she writes a little note to you in here. And she also does like a style card where you can see all of your goodies. So the prices, we will see how much each thing costs. And this actually is a pretty cheap box. This is probably the cheapest box I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. So maybe they start everyone off like a little bit on the lower side. Maybe, I'm not sure. All of my, everything that I wanted to spend as far as Stitch Fix, they ask you what you want to spend. It's the same thing as my other one that I have that I actually use all the time. So this is actually a really awesome box and they're really good prices. So we'll start with the shorts, which are the most expensive, and these are $68. Do I think that's too much? Yes. I just bought a pair for my last Stitch Fix that were cheaper than that, and they were a little bit cuter than this. And you could also just go to like, I think you probably go to Hollister and buy a pair for like $55. But you're getting quality, and if you do buy all your items, you do get a big discount off of it, so that does help too. And this top, which is like my favorite of the whole box, it is $54, which I feel like that's okay. It's a nice feminine top. Hi, honey. This graphic tee, the Island Vibes graphic cold shoulder top, it is $40. No way, no how. It isn't my style. Some of you guys might like this style, but yeah, it's $40 if you're interested in asking for it in your box. But like I said, it's not my style. This Lush cold shoulder blouse is $38. Awesome price for a top that looks like this and it's good quality. Again, just not quite my style. I liked how it fit, but I probably wouldn't actually wear it if I had it in my closet. And then this Fortune and Ivy top is $34. It's the cheapest in the box, which I think is an amazing price for this top. I love it. So without hesitation, I can already tell you that I definitely will be keeping these two items. The navy blue top with the zipper, and of course this one. I am obsessed with this shirt. I cannot wait to wear this like tomorrow. I'm obsessed with these two. So if I were to buy everything in this box, the total comes to $234 minus the buy 5 discount, which is 25%. It would be $175, which is great for 4 tops, 3 being really nice tops and a pair of short and like a lounge type top. And of course you have your credit that you spend because you spend $20 to get a box, and that goes towards whatever you buy. So if I bought everything, it'd actually only be $155.50, which is an amazing deal. But because I'm only buying these 2 tops, I'll be spending $68 on these 2 tops. I think that is pretty great. I am obsessed with both of them. I will definitely get plenty of wear out of them. So $68 for 2 great tops. That's what I would spend pretty much anywhere that I'd buy my clothes. So I'm actually very, very happy with today's fix. I probably would have bought the shorts, to be honest, if I did not already buy a pair in my last Stitch Fix that were kind of the same. If you watch my channel, you can go see them. I just did a video. My last Stitch Fix update had those shorts in them. In my last one, I actually bought all 5 for, I think, the 2nd time. So, great job. The stylist did an amazing job. I'm really happy with this. Again, I am really surprised because she had like nothing to go off of. But yeah, it was a great Stitch Fix haul. And sorry, my daughter is like... she's a little cray. But yeah, I'm really excited. If you guys are interested in Stitch Fix, like always, there will be a link in the description box for you to sign up. And if you like Stitch Fix and have a great stylist that you use, leave your stylist in the comments because people are always looking for stylists that work great with them. But this stylist, again, if you're interested in her, her name is Cara, C-A-R-A. So that's all for my Stitch Fix haul, you guys. Thanks so much for coming back for this like different type video. This is definitely more of a kind of a Stitch Fix haul that is true to the first time buyers of Stitch Fix, and I really enjoyed showing this to you guys. So subscribe if you like what you see, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.